Chico show. It's been a long time. Well, not for you YouTube people, but for my friends, yeah. Well, unfortunately, we've had to remove the characters Penguin and Mr. Squishy Squishy. So, I'll just say that, well, Mr. Squishy Squishy was removed because my friend took him back because it wasn't my stuffed animal, so I'll just say Mr. Squishy Squishy was kidnapped, and Penguin, we don't know. We'll just say she died. And we moved to, we moved to a different town, okay? Okay. Well, let's just start the show, okay? Bye! Chico. Oh, yeah. Well, what? We're starting the show, though, see? Okay. I guess this is the first show in a while, huh? Man, this is the first show. We really need to spice this episode up. Yeah, huh? Well, I don't know. What about you, Chico? Oh, I know. What? We could have Melissa come out. Yeah. No, we're not having that hooky sex up. But why? Because I said no. Bye. Well, that's just mean. Okay, fine. I guess that ends today's Chico show, but just to let you know, we really need ideas, because Lindsay's having a terrible time finding out those ideas, and I'm peeing in the porch because it's fun. And so, because we need those ideas really bad. So if you have an idea, leave a comment and just let us know, okay? Thank you. Bye. I guess. I'll just circle around here cutely. I said turn off the camera. No. Turn it off. Fine.